Hey guys, it's Hot Wheels. Today, well, it's gonna be a little different. We are going to do I'm gonna take you back to when I was a kid with this bike and a specialty vehicle. But for right now, this bike is one bikes that Jesse James and I had built, and he kind of went out of business. I got one of his bikes. I'm actually going to do pinstriping. I just want to pinstripe the actual sticker due to physics of pinstriping of just this. Yeah, this bike came from Musco's Custom Choppers. I added stuff to it. My proud sponsor is Master Flows. That's what I run on. The car that's right behind me. And it's tragic. I'm actually looking forward to restoring this loving beast. Because of the accident it's been through already. It's pretty bad. My dad was, I don't know, crazy enough to vandalize his own car. Didn't take to the track, to be honest. He did not do that. But what he did was something that really broke a good feeling. And I need to speak with Mark Mormon about this build. It's missing a header part. Dad stripped out the spark plug holders where the threads are. This whole side is demolished. Thank goodness the scoops. What I mean by scoops, I mean these things. I'll show you guys on the other side. But we had a lot of people wanting to come see this car in person, and this is the end result. It's just too hard to look at now. I basically grew up in the backseat of this car. Something that was a father and son's project. And we discussed about doing crazy things to the car, stripping it down, making this loving beast into a dragster. But it's gonna be a piece of history now, because it looked like it came straight out of the Fast and the Furious franchise, the first film, without the roof being caved in. And it's a heartbroken thing. These wheels, these are the new wheels that my dad has actually had gotten for the car. I want to say they're 19-inch wheels, I want to say. Not sure. But these wheels are going to be definitely used for the track. Once everything clears up and says, okay, good. But this is history. I grew up in that back seat. And yeah, this is the end result. I've taken this car to a long time ago when I was growing up. Mopars by the River. They're not doing any more shows. I think one of our big shows were there. The Chicago Heights Fest. Blue Top, which is right there. I've actually got like several stickers all over this car. I don't know why. I've got trophies from all over the place. Hot rods. No, not World Wheels. What was that one show? It had all of the freaking... Oh, I can't think of it. The drag strip. 41. This beast. I call it the beast because it used to be a beast. Now it's something special. Nothing special now. And this was supposed to be actually my very first car. I am not kidding. This car right here. This car right here was supposed to be my first car. Well, see what it is. It's not running. It looks like someone shot the back glass out. But no. That hood, it's way up there. That hood had to be special made for this car. This trunk lid didn't even look like this. It's got dings, it's got scratches. There's the other door scoop I was trying to show you guys on the other side though. These door scoops, I'm thankful they did not get scratched. I'm really lucky these door scoops didn't get scratched. Everything else had to been screwed out of three. Once I paid $300? No. Maybe. I don't even know how much my dad has actually paid for these. I think these are the originals on this car. Check it out later. Oh, right there. This 15. Clear though. This is where, that's where I used to sit. I know the battery's not plugged in or anything. That's where I love sat, the back seat. That's where I love sat. This piece will have gone on the dash. Top piece of the dash. There's my Hurst. This is my Hurst shifter. Keys. Don't want to explain the keys. This car had seen all of it. All of it. Me and my mom had spent $43,000 just in these seats. This seat, back seat, all the way around this car for $43,000. It's kind of heartbroken. And thankfully my father didn't bother smashing in his mirrors. Broken them. I would have been lost without my mirrors. These mirrors are actually original. I'm actually surprised that they're actually still chrome. It's been forever since I've seen this car. It's just touches my heart. Seeing a car that I know from the bottom of my own heart I've wrenched every nut, every bolt with my brothers and my father on this car. You know what they always say? If you can build it, go for it. And that's what I did. I truly built a true beast. Nice blesses my license plate says charge it.
You're killing me, Smalls.
I call it the Beast because this car has a lot of nicknames. Some call it a quick one, some call it the chauffeur, because that's what it was when I was growing up. It was the chauffeur. It was the daylight car. It was the winning car, winning streak beast. But now it lies in my hands. I don't know what to do with it. I'm thinking about keeping it, restoring it.
You're killing me, Smalls.
Storage, of course. There are some things that I can ping out by hand, but other bits and pieces. That's a tough one. I think that's my trunk. Didn't get tore up or anything. But this with this whole side all vandalized. This whole side. Driver's side only got vandalized. Trunk is a trunk. It's got things, it's got scratches. It's heartbroken. But I put my time, into it. I spent day and night trying to figure out what am I gonna put even in this car. This car used to have a blower motor sticking gigantically out of the hood, and me and my dad were out one day just doing our basic test hits with the car at the track at 66, and the car consistently ran in between a 10 and 12 on a hot day. If it was nice and cool out, we were probably gonna be aiming in the 9 to 8s. It had its hot days and cold days. That was when I was younger, though. And ever since, he wanted a car that was gonna be his forever car. So we detuned it. We got rid of. Hopefully, he didn't get rid of the engine that was in this car originally. It's messed up. Dipshits